Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the top 5 best body scrubs that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research and I try to list them based on price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Majestic Pure Himalayan Salt All-Natural Body Scrub with Lychee Essential Oil, 12 ounces. If you want an all-natural body scrub, then this one by Majestic Pure is perfect. It's rated among the top 10 best body scrubs in 2019 and is ideal for all skin types. The product is rich in essential nutrients that help to improve the skin condition, texture, and color. Notable ones comprise Lychee, Himalayan salt, magnesium, calcium, iron, copper, vitamin C, and potassium. It eliminates dead skin cells, acne scars, wrinkles, minimizes pores, and also moisturizes the skin. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Thermalabs Salt and Oil-Based Body Scrub Exfoliator Vanilla Patchouli. If you want soft, smooth and amazing skin, then this salt and oil-based body scrub by Thermalabs will work wonders. It has a nice soft texture that feels good on the skin and also leaves a nice scent. The organic product contains compounds such as dead sea salts, minerals, sesame seed oil, sweet almond oil, and wheat germ oil. It is effective for treating skin conditions such as acne, dry skin, oily skin, wrinkles, blackheads, ingrown hair, and also cleansing. It's safe for any skin type, whether oil, dry, combination or sensitive. It's 100% safe and won't cause any side effects and is also easy to apply. At number 3, we have the pureSCRUBS Premium Organic Large 16 ounces Body Scrub Set. This body scrub has been made to facilitate collagen formation, to rejuvenate and moisturize the skin. Made with essential nutrients, skin softeners and oils that will make the skin soft, radiant and healthy all the time. Other than that, the set will assist to reduce the appearance of acne scars, dark spots, stretch marks, and cellulite. You can also use it on the knees and elbows. This unique 4-in-1 formula will also buff away dry, dead skin, giving a full skin softening that you will love. Most users appreciate this organic product as it has a nice fragrance, smooth texture, zero side effects, and easy application. At number 2, we have the Venu Pomegranate Body Scrub. This pomegranate body scrub from Venu can be found in many shops, both offline and online. It's loved for its good performance that is brought about by the high concentration of essential ingredients. These include dead sea mineral salts, extract from the pomegranate seeds, vitamin E and much more. It helps to exfoliate the skin, remove germs and bacteria, open the skin pores, prevent inflammation, and improve the general skin appearance. Thanks to its microbial properties, it helps to deal with microbes, infections, inflammation, and spider veins. And finally, at number 1, we have the Holy City Skin Products 16 Fluid Ounces Body Scrub Skin Care. The Holy City Skin Products Body Scrub will assist to rejuvenate your skin, making it look healthier and younger. This skin care has been made to reduce wrinkles, moisturizes and nourishes the skin and makes it look as good as it feels. On top of that, the body scrub will enrich and clean your skin by removing dead skin cells, allowing healthy skin to grow. It's perfect for all types of skins, combating skin conditions such as psoriasis and eczema. After using this skin care several times a week, you will notice a great change in your skin and will help to fight wrinkles, age spots, and acne. Feel confidence using this body scrub as it has satisfied thousands of customers, leaving them with a beautiful look. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.